Top 5 Best AC Power Sockets in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best AC power sockets? If you received a new AC power sockets, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best AC power sockets on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The US Plug AC Outlet Multiprise Power Strip is a versatile power hub designed for modern homes and offices. It features multiple AC outlets for connecting multiple devices, 2 USB ports, and 2 PD chargers for fast charging. It features a standard grounding system for safety and a 2-meter extension cable for easy placement. Made from high-quality materials, it offers durability and long-lasting performance. The integrated network filter minimizes electrical interference, providing stable. Number 2. The PSED EU Russia 16A electric wall socket is a stylish and durable power outlet designed for residential and general-purpose use. It features a sleek tempered glass crystal panel, is available in black and white, and is designed for wall-embedded installation. It can handle a 16A rated current and has a voltage range of 110 V, 250 V. Equipped with standard grounding, it offers a mechanical life of 100,000 uses and operates efficiently in extreme conditions. The socket is certified by Number 3. The Universal AU UK US EU Plug Adapter is a reliable travel power solution for international travelers. It converts US plugs to EU standards, making it ideal for European travel. It supports multiple plug types, including AU, UK, US, and EU, ensuring a secure and stable connection for electronic devices. The compact and lightweight adapter is made of high-quality materials for durability and long-lasting use. It is suitable for various electrical devices like chargers, laptops, and small. Number 4. The EU Plug AC Outlet Multitap Power Strip is a reliable power hub for home and office use, featuring multiple AC outlets for simultaneous device connection. Equipped with USB Type-C ports for fast charging, it comes with a 2-meter extension cord for flexibility. It features a built-in network filter for stable power output and is made from high-quality materials. The compact and sleek design is perfect for space-saving installation. Made in mainland China, it is an affordable and durable power hub designed for modern homes and offices. It features multiple AC outlets for connecting multiple devices, 2 USB ports, and 2 PD chargers for fast charging. It features a standard grounding system for safety and a 2-meter extension cable for easy placement. Made from high-quality materials, it offers durability. Number 5. The AC30 power sockets are versatile industrial distribution box connectors designed for commercial and industrial use. They are compatible with UK, US, EU, FR, and SA standard modular sockets, support multiple current ratings, and operate at 220 V. Built for DIN rail mounting, they ensure stable and efficient power distribution for various electrical setups. Made from high-quality materials, they are ideal for factories, workshops, and professional power systems. Manufactured in Mainland, it offers durability and long-lasting performance. The integrated network filter minimizes electrical interference, providing stable. Thanks for watching the video.